My name is Rebecca Meyer. I was the at-home winner of NBC's The Biggest Loser for season 8. What that means is that in 6.5 months, I lost 139.5 pounds. And out of the 13 eliminated contestants, I had the highest percentage. I lost half my body in that time. One thing about losing 140 pounds in 6.5 months and maintaining that loss over the last 15 months has been what some people call the badge of honor, which is the excess skin. The arms, they kept good and nice and tightened up, but my abdominal area and my thighs, I had almost 70-inch hips at one point, and my stomach was right around there as well. And I have stretch marks and excess skin as though I have had 3 or 4 children, but I have no babies to prove it. So rather than carrying it around with me every day, I decided that I was going to look into having plastic surgery done, and asked a bunch of people and read a bunch of things online, and we decided that Dr. Robbins was the person we were going to go for. I know nowadays that plastic surgery, people think of it more as vanity, and that doing something like that is not, it is an elective surgery, and that you shouldn't do it. But now it's a little bit more mainstream, and it's people are a little bit more comfortable with knowing about it. But for someone like Daniel and myself, who have lost, for him, over 200 pounds, for me, over 140 pounds, and maintained over 120 pounds lost for the last 15 months, it's that next step. Once we came to Des Moines Plastic Surgery and met with Dr. Robbins and sort of had our initial consultation, I realized that I was going to have an abdominoplasty done, which is basically removing of my excess skin and making it all look flat and awesome. What was really fantastic about this place, Des Moines Plastic Surgery, is the fact that the operating room is here, not only for privacy but for convenience, and it's Dr. Robbins' own place. We don't have to go into another hospital and deal with other people and people that he doesn't know or trust or things like that, and it's all a controlled environment here. So that's something that was a huge draw for us. Dr. Robbins was on the list of the people that I had been looking up online, and I found out that he was the only double board certified plastic surgeon in the state. So that was nice to know that not only has he done it once, but he's done it twice, and he really knows what he's doing. Des Moines Plastic Surgery was something that it made sense, and then meeting Deb and Dr. Robbins and Brenda and everyone has been so fantastic here. We could have gotten it done at a lot of different places, but here just sort of seemed right. Having an abdominoplasty and working with Des Moines Plastic Surgery has done more for me than I could ever even express. This summer, was able to wear a 2-piece, and it looked great. And I felt confident, and for me, it was the final stage, and going from a 300-pound sad girl to under 200 pounds, healthy, happy trainer and motivational speaker. It's one of those things that I would recommend to anyone. If you've lost an exorbitant amount of weight and you are feeling like you haven't finished your journey, meet with the people at Des Moines Plastic Surgery. Have a consultation and take that final step to really help change your life, because you can be the person that you want to be, and it can reflect in your clothing, and you can look good naked.